Hello friends, welcome back. So Navaratras are soon going to begin and we will all be looking for some new recipes, nice delicious recipes to be made during this period. I've already shared some videos of no onion, no garlic recipes. You can also refer to them. And today I'm going to show you Aloo ka Sheera, potato Sheera. We call it Patate jo Seero in Sindhi. This can also be eaten during Ekadashi fast because potatoes are not restricted during that period. So let's go and make Aloo ka Sheera. We have taken 3 medium-sized potatoes, boiled and peeled. About 2 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter, half cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. And here I have some saffron soaked in hot milk. Pinch of salt. This balances the sweetness. 3 to 4 cardamoms crushed. And some pistachio slices for garnishing. First take the peeled potatoes and mash them lightly. Don't mash them completely, you can leave tiny bits intact so this tastes better that way. Just break the larger chunks into small bits. So here it is. Now let's start making the halwa or Seero, patate jo Seero. Take a pan and melt the ghee. It tastes better in ghee. If you wish, you could use half oil and half ghee as well. Once the ghee melts, dip in the crushed cardamoms. When the cardamoms give out a nice aroma, add the mashed potato. Once this is done, we are going to stir fry for a few minutes. Using a spatula, keep sauteing and breaking the pieces, mashing it a bit lightly with the spatula. This Seero or halwa can be made in less than 10 minutes once you have your potatoes ready, boiled and cooled. Keep stirring, keep sauteing until you see the color of the potato will change. And the consistency also keeps getting little thicker. From the aroma you can make out that it is almost done. Now at this stage we are going to add sugar. A half cup is perfect for this. If you wish to eat it sweeter, make it little more sweeter, add a spoonful more. You can even replace the sugar with brown sugar or jaggery. Even organic jaggery tastes very good in this halwa. Now keep mixing until the sugar melts. Add a pinch of salt. Now this is the tip we learned from our elders. All the sweets and Indian desi desserts, we add a pinch of salt. This balances the flavors very nicely. You see the sugar has melted and now we are going to add a little bit of saffron infused milk. The saffron seems to be quite strong. I got it from Dubai recently. Little bit has given such a lovely color. Now keep stirring it. The sugar has melted and let it cook a little bit. Taste for the sweetness It's perfect for me. If you wish, you make it more sweeter. This is the consistency we should leave the Seero or halwa, because when you keep it after a little while, you will see it's become little thicker. So now I'm switching off the gas and leaving it for some time. You can see now after a few minutes it's become more thicker and it's perfect now. We can serve it. I'm sure you're going to make and enjoy this halwa too. Let's now dish it out, transfer it into a serving bowl and garnish it. I always make this halwa on Kartika Ekadashi. Since childhood, mom has been making that and I have sweet memories of this halwa. Every year we used to look forward to fast on the Ekadashi day to eat this. Now the halwa is dished out. Let's garnish it. I'm using pistachio slices. You can use almonds, whatever you want. So the halwa is ready to be served. Patate jo Seero or Aloo ka Sheera. Lovely, isn't it? Such an easy recipe. Give it a try. Looks so delicious. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. Do share my video with your friends. You can also find the written recipe on my website. I'm sharing the link in the description box. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications about my new videos. Check out these videos as well if you have missed watching them. Thank you. Have a good day.